Hello friends, today we are going to make a mango juice. The ingredients are mango, milk and sugar for a little bit sweetness. First step is to put the mangoes inside with a spoon. Next I'll add some milk. Next I'm going to add some sugar. Let's make the juice. Now let's pour the juice in the glass. I have some chopped almonds and cashew nuts to decorate the juice, and it will also give a nice crunch. If you like it cold, you can put it in the fridge for half an hour. Now let's drink it and enjoy it. Please try this at home and write a comment. Please press like if you like the juice. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a good day in drinking the juice. Stay home, stay safe.